आज मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल स्मार्टफोन को दिखाने के लिए। बेस्ट कैमरा, ग्रेटेस्ट डिजाइन, हाईएस्ट परफॉर्मेंस एंड IoT डिवाइसेस टू किल फॉर। बट मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ इन सारी चीजों को दिखाने के लिए, सारी फीचर्स के बारे में बात करने के लिए। सो ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते एंड लेट्स गो।
Hi guys.
Hi there, my name is but I'm mainly known to series here. As a photographer, the first thing I've noticed about this phone is that it comes with an IMX709 sensor for the front camera, and it's the world's first sensor to be co-developed with Sony. The second thing I've noticed is its fantastic DOL-HDR functionality. I might need to get slightly technical here, but let's start with HDR, high definition range, a process that captures your image at different exposure and brightness levels and gives you one image with a greater dynamic range. Okay, let's discuss the Oppo Reno 7 Pro's high resolution camera with specs of 50 megapixel AI triple camera with 3 lenses. With IMX766 sensor for the rear camera, I can see that you can get better image quality with a larger photosensitive area. Compared with its predecessor on Reno 6 Pro, 85% more light can be captured, guaranteeing a better shooting experience in darker environments.
I am really glad to see that the phone comes in 2 brand new colors, Star Trails Blue and Starlight Black. At 180 grams, 7.45 mm thickness, ये फोन है अल्ट्रा स्लिम और बहुत ही लाइट वेट।
उसकी स्क्रीन पूरी एक बेजललेस डिस्प्ले, 1.55 mm की बेजल्स हैं और 92.8% का स्क्रीन टू बॉडी रेशियो है। इसमें स्टडी मटेरियल।
कैमरा को लगते ही हमें दिखेगी एक हेलो जैसी लाइट जो कि है इंडस्ट्री की पहली 3D सर्कुलर ब्रीदिंग लाइट। It's basically a mini ring light, but for your notifications. Thanks to the 65 watts Super VOOC plus 4500 mAh battery. Matlab, you can charge it for just 5 minutes and enjoy video playback for 4 hours. And charge the phone's 4500 mAh battery to 100% in as little as just 31 minutes.
परफॉर्मेंस काफी ज्यादा तगड़ी है। It has the most powerful MediaTek 1200 Max. It ensures stronger computing power with low power consumption. It makes your photos as crisp as Shashi Tharoor की delivery. Just by processing it using AI Deblur, ये आपकी normal photos को enhance कर देता है using AI PQ और एक किसी भी normal image को can convert into a very high definition pic by using exposure levels.
We've spoken enough about the Reno 7 Pro. Let's walk you through some of the features that are unique to the Reno 7. The Oppo Reno 7 comes with air gesture features. You know, like you can wave your hands to scroll up and scroll down and even answer calls. You can basically socially distance yourself from your phone and still get things done.
Oppo Reno 7 is 36 months TUV SUV smooth certified. Moving on, the MTK DM900 in the Oppo Reno 7 ensures there is extremely low power consumption, minimal heating and industry leading performance. On top of this, it comes with the support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring better and more stable connectivity.
The price of the Reno 7 series. The Reno 7 Pro series will be launched at a price $39,999 with its first sale happening on February 8, 2022. And the Reno 7 will be launched at rupees 28,999 with its first sale happening on 17th February 2022. That's not all. You can also avail the exciting offers shown on the screen.